Go. Boom. Just a standard 22 long rifle AR platform.
AR platform. Ready?
Supers.
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready? Go. 1169.
Ready?
Go. 1162.
Ready?
Go. 1190. Now I'm going to do scary gun stuff.
Right.
Too hot for YouTube.
Yeah.
But if you're watching on Rumble, you get to see this.
Right. Otherwise, you got to blur it out. What the hell?
Yeah. SilencerCo Sparrow. Go. 1170.
Ready? Go.
1144.
Ready? Go.
1212. That one was fast.
Yeah, that one was 136 dB, what I was reading.
That's awfully loud for suppressed.
Yep.
Cool.
All right, so for a quick recap, we're going to go over the 6 shots we made. We did 3 unsuppressed and 3 suppressed. The first 3 shots at unsuppressed, the first speed was 1169 feet per second with a dB rating of 143.1. The second was 1162 feet per second at 142.5 decibels, and the third was 1190 at 143.4 decibels. Do remember this is Armscor 36 grain high velocity hollow point ammo, so it is not made to be suppressed really, so it's not going to do a whole lot when you put a suppressor on it. When we did suppress it with the SilencerCo Sparrow, first shot was 1170 feet per second, still quick, at 135.9 decibels. Still pretty loud, and you could hear the sound crack after the shots. Second shot was 44 feet per second at 135.5 decibels, and the sixth shot was really fast at 1212 feet per second at 136.7 decibels. Thanks for watching. Check back in for more.